were trying to avoid
Oh.
me.
So sorry. Just got pulled into another meeting.
You don't have to be sorry.
Really?
Maybe a tiny bit. It's funny how when I'm not sleeping over, I don't worry about you. But you come home late one night and my mind is spinning. I mean, what if he fell into the subway tracks? Maybe somebody kidnapped him.
Kidnapped?
Maybe he needed a Heimlich and there was no one to give
You
it.
taking that shit offensively. I do the kidnapping. I'm Joe Goldberg around this motherfucker. I do this talking.
Days, I guess.
Put Joe in the MCU, man. See how long he lasts.
Two minutes.
Nobody seems to care.
I know, I'm sorry about that, Matt.
Another client is serving time at Rikers for stealing a bag of caramel corn.
Sounds a bit
You on the
excessive.
Rikers? Damn. You gotta put him in the county. In the safe where he was at? The holding center? Damn. I feel like a waste of time. I guess if that's the case, shit, I feel
Hey,
that.
he must have been going crazy. He must have been doing Wilt numbers during the blip. Stealing everything.
You know,
Yo, Rikers for stealing caramel corn.
few garden variety neurotics / depressives, plus a not so garden variety couple of crisis.
None of which you can tell me about.
Oh, you know, I can tell you pretty much anything you want to know. I just have to kill you.
You not killing me, so. You kill a lot of people in this world. You ain't killing me.
Imagine not being here.
Cancer.
Yo, bro.
We're not that maturely rated.
Go to bed, bro.
That's a crazy shot of him coming down the stairs like that.
Walking away from the light. He fake smooth though. It's like I know that bed creaked some way. Like I know she felt her hand like something, bro.
This gotta be. Oh, don't tell me this is what I think it is.
With all the suits?
Mm-hmm. The painting. He kept it. Oh shit.
Oh my goodness.
Now these motherfuckers are about to be back to their old selves. Got a full course meal down there.
I got it.
Nah, it's really an insane scene, man. I ain't gonna lie.
It was one that big, or he put them together.
Please, Mr. Fisk.
Mayor Fisk. I was told forgiveness is the highest form of love. However,
Adam?
Has to be, right?
Fisk. Please. Please. Let me out!
Yo, he been carrying that body for a minute though.
He's strong as hell.
What the fuck?
You got a body strung up in there?
Oh my god.
Oh. He enjoys that. He's hyperventilating.
Oh
Wow.
shit.
That was a crazy little ending right there. I can't lie.
Shit.